Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this error in Valorant. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first all you need to do just type here services and then scroll down until you find here VGC. Right click on VGC and go to properties. After that go to automatic, apply and OK, and then type here device manager, and after that go to display adapters. Make sure to update all those drivers here, search automatically for drivers, and that's it. Update display adapters and also processors adapters and network adapters, and that's it. After that just restart your PC, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.